So, some people may be curious what is shut down with this computer. Well, other than Premiere randomly crashing or freezing and actually not showing me my edits, this happens all the time, where despite how many times I click on the start button, I press the keyboard for the main menu, nothing will happen. Same with the search box. When I do sometimes get the start button open, it would just cycle through all the options infinitely. That alongside sometimes just the computer just completely locking up to the point where nothing works. At the moment, this works. I can still right click and left click, and I can still kind of open up tabs that I've got open. But if I want to shut the computer down, I either have to hard reset or control delete and hope that I can actually get the option to shut it down, which sometimes, even this sometimes doesn't work. Now luckily it is on this occasion, but yeah, it's an absolute nightmare when you're trying to do absolutely anything. And I was hoping this would have been resolved because I had a new computer which came on the Tuesday, but I had to go straight back on the Wednesday because a motherboard was broken in transit. So this is my life fighting technology. And yeah, hopefully this will be resolved as soon as possible. I apologise again for the delays. You can already see I'm looking at doing a Spark AR video, but at the moment, even if I record one, I wouldn't even be able to begin editing it. And with my hard drives kind of locking up and even sometimes not being recognised at the moment, it's just not a risk that I can really take. So delays are still ongoing. I'll try and get a video out as and when I can, but at the moment, until I get the new computer and that issues are resolved, I'm basically fighting a little bit of a losing battle at the moment. So, speaking of which, we're now having Premiere's just crashed. Joy of joys. Okay, goodbye.